What's going on, guys? My name is David with Side of Tech. Today I have some desk accessories from a company called Balolo. They're a company based out of Germany and they make some of the most high quality desk products I've ever used. All of the accessories here are also manufactured in Germany and are featured in the walnut color. Walnut wood is just my all-time favorite wood finish. It gives you a really nice warm color cast, which really complements the overall aesthetic of the desk setup. The Setup Cockpit is the main system that Balolo have created. In basic terms, it's a desk shelf that features multiple attachment points in which you can attach whatever accessories that you want or need. The system is very intuitive, but sometimes can be overwhelming because there's so many options. We'll go over some of the ones that I chose, but let's first go over the desk shelf. All of our accessories come packaged very nicely. Everything comes clearly labeled and there's no confusion to what anything is. Every accessory comes packaged with a couple tools, so you won't be needing to use any of your own. Just keep one of these wrenches around just in case you want to move anything. And as far as the shelf goes, it comes in two sizes, a medium and a large, which I have here. If we look on the underside of the shelf, you can see the pre-drilled holes that are embedded and reinforced onto the wood itself, which means you don't have to worry too much about over tightening. If you have a shorter desk, I'd highly recommend the medium size, as the large can take up major real estate on your desk. The large size is 45 inches in length, 9.1 inches in depth, and has a height of 4.7 inches. My desk is 72 inches by 30 inches, so the shelf takes up about a third of the space. I highly recommend using a monitor arm with this shelf to save even more space. The more room for accessories, the better. Moving on from the shelf, let's go ahead and talk about some of the accessories that I opted for. The large tray is the biggest attachment and I feel has the most utility. Here I house my 16-inch MacBook Pro and Samsung SSD. The tray has the most uses out of all the accessories since you don't necessarily need to use it with a laptop. Next we have the headphone holder. This usually houses my AirPods Max and I really like this attachment because I'm able to swivel it. It's also lined with felt so it can protect any kind of headset. Next is a Magsafe holder. All you have to do is loop in a Magsafe charger and then you're ready to go. I wirelessly charge my iPhone here and it makes a really great stand so I can see all of my notifications. Right next to it we have the newly released tablet holder. This places my iPad Pro at a perfect level. It also swivels a little bit so when I'm reading scripts or watching any kind of videos, it's always at the perfect angle. It also comes with rubber feet so your tablet isn't floating around. Next we have the Catchall Tray, which is pretty self-explanatory. This houses all my little knickknacks that I keep around my desk. It's also really solid and comes with a nice walnut finish. It's lined up with felt to keep things scratch free and also comes with some cork feet for some added grip. Last but not least, holding things together are these cable holders. They're made of metal and can house a whole bunch of cables. If you guys are into cable management, this is the perfect accessory. Now there's so many other accessories that I can't feature here because I don't have the space, like this laptop stand or accessory holder. Balolo is really killing the desk setup game right now. They've captured a certain part of the market that people like myself have really been longing for. I have different desk shelves like from GroveMate, but this one from Balolo is on a different level. I just hope they can continue to innovate and bring new products to the table. So guys, after using all these desk accessories behind me, I've really felt the efficiency in my productivity gone way up. Everything is exactly where I need it to be and there's no need to second guess where anything is. The added customizability and the fact that you could just choose where everything goes, I think it's 100% worth it if you're willing to invest in a system like this. They also have so many options on their website. You can choose from whatever you want. You don't need to spend anything extra buying like a package that includes accessories you don't even need to use. You're only going to be spending money on the stuff that you need. And as you spend more and more time at our desk, I think it's an overall worthwhile investment. If you guys are all about improving your desk setup, go ahead and check out this video I made about cable management. It's a really helpful guide that I put together for you. This is David serving you a little Setup Tech, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys.